Milk and water are nutritional solutions. Red sugar with water is the root substance. Beer and water are fertilizers. White vinegar with water to remove yellow leaves. No need for root medicine. You can do it yourself at home. Save it. Prepare a cup of warm water. White sugar plus baking soda plus white vinegar. Closed fermentation for 48 hours. Stimulating plant roots is done. Water with this recipe helps plants take root quickly. Improve soil. Plant development. Coconut brand bricks bought online have arrived. Don't think it's small. After encountering water, it can expand 50-60 pounds of nutritious soil. Made from coconut shell compressed at high temperature. Aseptic. Clean. Environmentally friendly. Can be reused many times. The soil is loose and breathable. Stay hydrated. Add soil to the pot to plant the plant, or seedlings are fine. You love growing plants. Please buy this type of soil. Plant more vegetables.